Maintenance guidelines can help extend the device's lifespan and maintain optimal performance. Maintenance and care considerations. Regular cleaning procedure. Clean the interior and exterior regularly using a mild detergent. Importance. Prevents contamination and buildup. Lid maintenance procedure. Check the lid seal and hinges for wear and tear. Importance. Ensures a secure closure and prevents leaks. Rotor inspection procedure. Inspect rotors for any signs of corrosion or damage. Importance. Avoids accidents and ensures safe operation. Balancing samples procedure. Always balance the load evenly across the rotor. Importance. Prevents unbalanced loads that can cause damage. Temperature control procedure. Monitor and calibrate the temperature settings as needed. Importance. Maintain sample integrity during centrifugation. Electrical checks procedure. Test the power supply and ensure the electrical connections are secure. Importance. Prevents electrical malfunctions and hazards. Lubrication procedure. Lubricate moving parts as recommended by the manufacturer. Importance. Reduces wear and tear, and maintains smooth operation. Documentation procedure. Keep a log of maintenance activities and any repairs performed. Importance. Tracks the centrifuge's service history and assists with troubleshooting. Professional servicing procedure. Schedule regular professional maintenance checks. Importance. Identifies and addresses potential issues before they become major problems. Regular maintenance and care are essential for keeping a centrifuge running smoothly and extending its lifespan. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding maintenance and care considerations, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.